Hello, this is Richard, and I want to show you my program, BlackJack. When you start up, you get a splash screen for 5 seconds. It's just this. And then you get a short description of what the program is. And you can either do 1 player or 2 player. For now, we're going to do 1 player. For the player, you put your name. My name is Richard, so your name will appear here. You cannot enter, you have to bet money. You cannot put letters in here or bet more than you have. So we're going to bet. Also, you cannot bet less than 500. So I'm going to bet, let's say, $800. And it'll show me how much I deal, right? And right now I have 10 plus 6, so that's 16. And for the dealer, he lands a queen, so he shows 10. The other card I cannot see until I hit stay. So for now, I want to stay. The dealer won, he got 19, and I lost money. We can do this again. I'm gonna press hit because 8 is too low. I'm gonna hit it one more time. I went over. I lose money again. Here we go. So here you can have a choice. Yes for ace to be 11. No for ace to be 1. So right now we have a 9. No, that's a 6. I'm sorry. We have a 6. So we can either go for ace to be 11 or ace to be 1. And I'm going to do 11 so we can get a higher number. And I'm going to hit stay. And I won because the other guy went over. I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to hit. And I lost money. So you can have 2 players. My name Richard 1 and the other one will just be player. So if you're blue, you go first. So I'm going to bet 500. I'm going to hit stay. And now it's the other player's turn. See how he turns blue? And you can see the other player's cards. He has 20 as well. So I'm going to hit stay. And the player wins. And he gets the money. We can do this again. We get 2 of these. So yes. And then no. For 12. I'm going to hit. And if you went over, the other player automatically wins. And you can go again. Stay, hit, the player wins, stay, and obviously the player will win because he has a higher score than Richard. And if you lose all your money, once again, player wins the game, and that's all.